Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone is well. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a survey questionnaire in this platform. So in order to create a survey questionnaire, we have to do it from the organization panel. So in order to log into the organization panel, I'll give the credentials and log in. So here is the dashboard, organization dashboard. So as you can see in the the left side bar, you can see a create survey option. So if you click on the create survey, it will give you a survey form generation. So if you submit this basic survey form and click submit, this will take you to the main survey dynamic survey form generation page. But before we do that, what we have to do here is that is very important, which is the location tracking. So you have to enable the location for your browser to access your location in order to submit the form. This is used because you have to track the user survey user location. So in order to do that, I'll just go to this icon and click done. So as you can see, the cross will be gone. If the browser can access your location, it will say this site can access your location. So now if we'll give the basic information about the survey. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to the survey template. You can take any survey template from jotform.com. You can copy this one and paste it here. I'll do it for both name and description. I'll give a time period for the survey and click on the market research. There are many categories. You can pick a particular category. I'll pick my market research. Give a survey response count of 30. So if I click on submit, this will take me to the dynamic survey form generation page. This is the survey form generation page. As you can see on the left side, there is a section, and if you click on this section, all these question types, there are a total of 10 question types. All these question types will be enabled. So and these question types will be under a particular section. So if I click on this section, as you can see, now these question types are enabled. So what I am going to do here is pick one particular, let's say this question. So this question is a scale type question. So if I pick a scale type question, let's say pick a scale type question, this will generate a modal pop-up to make sure that you're proceeding forward. So you'll click yes, and this will generate a scale type question. So if you enter the scale type question, let's say I'll copy this one and enter the scale. As you can see, the form preview is dynamically generated as soon as we enter the question. So as you can see, there are 5 options from 1 to 5 and 2 labels. So if I let's say short description is not applicable and number of options is 5. The starting label, let's say it's poor, it's already given, and the ending label is excellent or very useful, and the starting point is 1, ending point is 5, and the option gaps is 1. Now if I click on the preview changes, I'll see that there is a survey preview of the scale type question. So I'll generate another different type of question, that is an MCQ type question. So as you can see, this is an MCQ type question. So if I select this one, or first I click on the MCQ and ensure that I'm creating an MCQ type question. Now this MCQ type question is generated. I'll give the title that I copied, and then I'll just give not applicable for description. And as you can see, there is an option button. So as you can see, if I click on add, this will generate input fields dynamically for options. So this is one option, this is 2 options, this is 3 options. So as you can see, there are 4 options. So I'll generate another option and just copy and paste the options. So let's say this is laptop. Let's say give it a laptop and then a desktop give it a desktop, and then the third option is mobile phone, so I give the third option as mobile phone, and the fourth option is tablet, so I give the fourth option as tablet. So as you can see, I have created an MCQ type question, and as you can see, this is the preview of the question. So I'll create another different type of question, that is a paratext type question. So I'll go to this paratext and ensure that I will be creating a paratext type question. As you can see, this is the paragraph text question. So I'll give the title as additional notes / feedback, no short description, and this is the nature of the question. It's a text type question, like a text nature of question, not text type but text nature of question. It will contain text. So then what I will do is, I have already created the paratext type question. So all I need to do now is save the different types of questions that I have created under a section of this survey questionnaire. So if I click on save, this will save the survey. So now if I want to make sure that I have generated the survey, I can go to the database, the MongoDB database, to see whether I have created the survey. So as you can see, there is the survey created, that is technology survey for remote learning. If I go under the section and see the contents, there are 3 questions here, and as you can see, the question details that I have entered is here. So this is how we can add more questions under more sections of this survey questionnaire.